How to fix MW2 campaign Steam connection timed out and Xbox 2 early errors. Part 1, fix MW2 campaign Steam connection timed out error. To address this issue, quit then relaunch the Steam program. Part 2, fix display. Name not allowed on Steam. Here are 3 steps you need to follow. 1. Uninstall the MW2 app then the Steam. Like this. 2. Reinstall update Steam. 3. Reinstall the MW2 app. Part 3, fix MW2 campaign Xbox You Are Too Early error. Step 1, access the Manage Game and Add-on section. Step 2, select Modern Warfare 2. Step 3, choose and download campaign along the main app. Like this. Step 4, choose a US time zone in profile and system. Note, you may need to restart your Xbox a few times.